Question: how many of you are already involved in online business? How many of you involved in a digital marketing business or an online business? And if so, do you have any questions that you'd like to ask about how it works? Talk today about benefits of having an online business. 3 or 4 benefits of having an online business. And one of them is when you have an online business, it doesn't tie you down as probably another job that we have, So one of them is, especially if you join a program that has an automated system, then it enables you to work from anywhere in the world. You have a phone, which I'm using, and as long as you have Wi-Fi, which you're all using, or you have bundles that you're having, so you can be able to work from anywhere in the world. You're not restricted to a particular place. So that's the beauty. So that's one benefit, that you can work from anywhere in the world. The second thing is, if you have a system that is automated, and automation here meaning you have a system that probably has an email marketing system that people can go to your capture page, feed in their information. The second thing of an online business is it's automated and it works for you 24 hours. So really people can buy your product or your service even while you sleep. So you don't have to be there continuously. As a job, a job we have to report for us to earn, right? So that's the second benefit. The third benefit is you can earn in whatever currency. You can earn from people all over the world. If you have a product or a service that you are selling, that people are buying your product from far and wide. It's not only, limited to your own country. So that's the benefit of having an online business. So I just want to say briefly, the program that I am talking about today is called a Legacy Builder program. It's an e-learning platform, and we have 4 programs that we sell. So above on my profile, there's a link there. Kindly just go click there, put in your email address. You'll find a capture page that looks like this. Let me share. Capture page that looks like that. I'm using my phone ID. So kindly just go there, put in your email address, and I'll get back to you. And you can be able to go through my website and see what the business is all about. So feel free. What I'm talking about, is it making sense? Have you ever thought of doing an online business? Would you be interested in earning money online? That's what I'm talking about. Thank you from you. And thank you. An online business, so that's something that you'd be interested in. And what has been your experience? So I was saying that, let me just recap that the benefits of doing an online business is the freedom that it gives you. You can work from anywhere as long as you have, as I said, you have either a laptop, you have a smartphone, you have Wi-Fi. You can work from anywhere, and that's the beauty of it, of having an online business. And the second thing is, I was saying, you also need to join a program that is automated, that people can go to your website, fill in the information even when you're not there. So you're not bothering your friends and family. I don't know how many of you have done businesses where you always have to ask your friends and your family to buy something from you. So the beauty of having an automated system is you don't necessarily have to bother your friends and family. They can just go to your website, read, see if it is something for them. If it is not, then they'll just log off. So you don't experience rejection, because they go to your site, look at the information, see if it is something that is suitable to them. If it is not, then they can log off. So that's the second benefit. Time freedom, working from anywhere, as long as you have Wi-Fi, you have a smartphone or a laptop, you can earn. And secondly, the program I said that I'm promoting is that you earn 100% of the profit, because it is an e-learning platform. So if you want to check out what it is that I'm talking about, kindly just go to my profile and click, and you'll be able to see my link there. Of course, businesses that you are earning 100% profit in this particular one. So that's the beauty of it, and that's the program that I'm promoting. Any due on my bio, and then once you enter the information, you come to a page like this. kindly put in your email, and you will, in about 5 minutes, you will check back your email, and you find an email from me. If you don't find it, kindly go check your spam, because sometimes, because I'm not on your list for email, it may go into your spam. So you can as well check your spam folder. So I would appreciate to hear from every one of you. It's always a joy for, to go on live and people come. Otherwise, I don't know how many of you are believers. I am a believer. I'm a believer in Jesus. And there's a parable in the Bible that says how a master told his servants to go out to the field and invite people for a banquet. And the people that he thought were going to come didn't come. And so he said, go to the byways and the highways and just invite anyone. So it's a joy for, to go on live and have people there. It's not a given. So it's a privilege to have every one of you. I'm grateful. And for those of you who are about to experience summer, I don't know how you're planning to spend your summer. Do you have all the money? Do you want to go on holiday? And sometimes you may want to. Yeah, there's the truth. But maybe you don't have the financial ability or the spare amount to go on holidays. But this program can enable you to have an income so that your summer this year is different. So feel free to check out my link up there and connect, and let's have a conversation. And if you do have any questions, there's an email there as well. Kindly respond and let me know.